Jesus is laid in the sepulchre. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. As Jesus was laid in the tomb, not to decay there, but to rise and bring new life to the human race. In the world, youth are also laid in the tomb when they and their life ended mysteriously, leaving behind to their parents and teachers and other youth of the world a lesson. A lesson to teach how the thoughts, feelings, and expectations of youth are to be taken care, so that the new life was brought by Jesus, by rising from the dead, gave hope to all that after death there is a new life. So also, youth become a life giver to another youth of this world. Prayer. Lord, your suffering is over. The unjust have put an end to the just man. This defeat is witnessed in our own lives too. Death puts a halt to everything, and we only turn to believing that there is something more just powerful than death. Have mercy on us, O Lord. Have mercy on us.